Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm very excited to announce that we have our first collaborator from out of state. He's from California, Silicon Valley, Joey Casares. Follow him on Instagram. I'm gonna put his information here down below. He got a great Audi TT Mark 1 and he did a fantastic cinematic video that I'm gonna show next. So stay tuned to the channel for more content from Joey in the coming months. Check this out.